Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete all comments on Facebook post. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you will just simply scroll down and down, and here you will just simply select the post that you want to delete the comments of the post. I can select this post. After selecting the post, make sure that you updated the latest version of Facebook. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now you will just simply tap on the comment at the bottom right corner of the post, and here now you can just simply hold on the comment and you will see the second option, that is delete. Now tap on delete, and this is the way you can delete comments on Facebook post. You will repeat the same process to other comments, and this is the way you can delete all comments. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.